guys, so this is going to be another cute Snapchat Q&A video, and yeah, let's just jump right into this because we know these tend to get really long. I just want to shut up and let's go. So this one is tap to load. Any more tap to loads? No, there's no more. There's a bunch of them here. No, okay, it's fine. So leisure Macon. So boy, good Jesus Christ, Chicago life. I don't ever empty them like that. Oh my God, Jesus Christ, good day, my cowboy star. I love your brushes. Oh my God, birthday by me. Oh my God, yo, I love my Snapchatters, man. Y'all, I love it. That was so romantic. That was so romantic. She goes, this is really funny, but there is a makeup hug. You don't just hug random people. Oh, hey, I love all your videos, your vlog, and mostly I love your baby. Okay, a little creepy, but okay.
It's a video on how you take your hands off. Absolutely love them. Love your show, love Jamaica makeup, love living on court, just love.
Oh my God, Dal. Boo, your accent is everything. Thank you for the support. And yeah, I did a little mini hair wrap tutorial on my Snapchat videos. And yeah, I have a video coming up of my head wraps. Boo, yeah. Aww, my supporters. So Lash Lioness, I think, says a really good way to get rid of dark spots off your face is African soap. Thanks, Boo. The only one here, not being rude, just kind of sick and tired of hearing what I can use on my face. The Super Duper Mom says, oh, tap to view.
Hey Simone, what's up, girl?
This is Ashley.
What do you use to clean your makeup brushes?
Listen up, Ashley and I went to youth reaching youth together, and this girl is Snapchatting. You know how weird it is? Like when friends snap me, so weird. I'm like, why never call me? Okay, so honestly guys, I'm going to be so straightforward with it right now. What I used to use to wash my brushes is, well, I still use, kind of I don't get my package yet, is blue soap. Bama, blue soap, cake soap, Bama. I swear to you, that's what I use now. But I ordered my JazzyJujubee.com. I ordered her brush cleaner, so I can't wait to get that and to just give my brushes a break, because the cake soap dries out my brushes, and you see my brushes, no, those are my glasses. My brushes back there, all of them use cake soap, all of them, and my brush is not falling apart, the brush is not coming out, and they're still soft. And I use cake soap that dries out. But if you know cake soap, if you wash it with a white clothes mostly, and I use it to remove soil, but it leaves your hands very, I don't know if you can say, it dries out your hands. It's just very drying. And to use that on my pomade brushes, and my brushes are still soft, bruh, my brushes are legit. My brushes are legit. But I'm going to do a haul when I receive my Jazzy my Shea products, my Shea stuff. So yeah, but please go to JazzyJujubee.com and purchase our brush cleaner. It's only $10. I bought like a bunch of them for classes and for my personal use. So that natural chick says,
Hi Lyric, my question for you is, where do you get your turbans and your head wraps?
oh, where do I get my turbans and my head wraps? Honestly, let me tell her. Boo, I use anything. I use t-shirts, old shirts, stretched out shirts, and I cut them up. This is definitely a scarf though. My grandmother gave me this scarf. So I use basically anything. I use anything at all to make my head wraps. Anything to make my head wraps. So Curls 101.
Right, I'm interested in purchasing the brushes, right? But I live in Trinidad, so I was wondering if there's any other way it could be. If there's any way in which you can ship it directly to me using DHL, something local instead of going across on this kind of, because actually we done also meet You can tell me what I can do, but since it's right the DM with any Caribbean, if it is any other way can be shown.
Okay, she's just talking about the brushes and how she can get them. Hold on, let me go back. What's her name? That natural chick, I think it is. Alright, boo, what can you do? Okay, so you know what, email me lyricmoa@hotmail.com and let me get talked to you, because the ship via DHL is $50 US. You get it in 2 days, but it's expensive. It's expensive. It's expensive. It's expensive. So Jodian Walker says, hi Lyric, how are you? I love your YouTube videos. I wish you can do a video on Smoky Eye, please, and thank you, God bless, and your baby, lots of love. This is actually a smoky look that I did today, so Jodian, you're in luck. Oh my god.
Subscribers from Manchester, England, and I just wanted to say have a good day. And God bless. And by the way, I'm not disgusting, so not you.
It's so weird when I see like white people talk to me, and I'm not being racist. I'm very Jamaican right now, because in Jamaica, if there's a white person walking on the road, it's like, Bomba, watch a white person. You know, it's not very common for us to say white people, and to know that people from all over the world is subscribed to me. She's from Manchester, England. Oh my god. Listen, when I just saw you, I'm like, oh my god, somebody watching me that's white. It's so weird sometimes. Thank you for your support, love. Oh, you watch my videos. I love you. Oh my god. It's just so... my cheeks hurting me. It's so weird. It's so weird. I'm so in a little box sometimes, and I forget how many people... Oh, I'm such a nerd. I forget how many people, you know, like, that's there. Wow. Okay, I'm almost done. This is Tia Samuda. I just love you. Aww, this is so cute. Oh my god, I have to snap her back. Tia, thank you so much for the love, boo. I'm filming now. I'm filming another Snapchat Q&A video. I am such a nerd sometimes. So Sporties42 says, I love your videos. Wait, nah, hear me say, ah. Okay, this is by Brown Sugar 631. Slide. Hi Simone, I'm a random fan of yours. I just want to say, first of all, anybody who calls me Simone is not a fan, is a friend. Just saying, you know me. You know me. I just want to say you inspire me a lot. I can't go to bed with, oh my god, I'm checking for a new vid. Keep doing your thing. I wish you all the best, moms. Oh, thank you, boo. You guys are like the bestest. Shani Boo 6 says, watching your Snapchat Q&A videos. I love see your work. I love your videos. God bless you, honey. Oh, I'm from Jamaica, Montego Bay. I want to buy your brushes. Do you ship nuts for them? No, if you ship it, listen, if you want to buy in Jamaica, you get it within the following day if you're in the corporate area. But if you're in like country like Montego Bay, you get it in like 5 days. So if you don't order normally, you get it in Jamaica normally, you're not getting the brushes in like a week. It's like express without having to pay the express money. Michelle MUA. Okay, so you're going to watch this. Happy Friday. Aww. Your grandma, Jonathan. Workflow. My snappers are the best. I just get snaps, just hey, just chilling. I'm like, okay, boo. Okay, honey.
Hi guys, I'm just leaving work now. It's Friday. Yes, because I'm doing nothing.
She's getting it. What? Oh, our head is moving the same way. You saw that?
Look who we have here. Muffin. You got
See now?
anything to
Yeah,
say?
the Marian, they mean this one. But you the 10? Alright, you don't mean this one. No, it cannot cool. They're talking about apparently family discussion on Empire. I swear. No makeup, ready for bed. I hear. Aww, Pookie. Okay, so this is Juicy Owens and oh, tap to view. It says why swipe to chat. Hi Larry, I just want to tell you I love your videos. You are a beautiful person and you should always embrace that. It's people out there in the world who are very cruel to others, but don't excuse me, let that stop. You are beautiful, honey, and don't stop making tutorials for us. We support you, boo boo, in your voice. Aww, thank you, boo. It's so weird that I'm Jamaican and I'm calling people boo and boo boo because that's just our thing out here in Jamaica. We say goody, good girl, goody, good girl, goody, blow, big up, Bella, blue. Okay, so be true. 24, love ya, chica. I'm about to speak about her in my last snap. I think it was one before it, or maybe the one before that one. Pookie, love Vanya. Says my kids are like Miss K. What are you watching? Oh, what kids? Honestly. Oh my goodness, that's my student. Oh, what if I'm following her? I wonder if I'm following you. You know, boo, I'm filming and I'm wondering if I'm following you. I'm filming the Snapchat Q&A. And I wonder if I'm following you. No, I guess if I'm following you. I think for Snapchat you have to add friends. Oh, Leisha Jamaican responded. She says, pull me brushes dick. Oh, baby. Yes. Let me zoom in on this gorgeousness. Oh, you guys can see. Pull me brushes dig that. Gorgeous. Yes. You know, I don't know where there from a pocket I don't know the brush there. And taste some with us.
And that was really nice of her. Oh, you're one man who will make it with nobody to it. They are taking care of your family, your son, and yourself as well.
Oh my God. No love on your good day. Why you drum out tonight, dear? I'm a flame. Don't drum out till me a flame. Oh. That's it. Is that it? No. Malcolm, beauty queen though.
Hey Larry, but just started on Snapchat and girl, I gotta say I love you. Recently I tried to comb my dry hair and I hear a video they put up and watched it.
Oh my God. Beauty queen though. Well, if I saw dread look more wanted, good if I head look proper. Well, if I saw dread look more wanted, good if I head look proper. Tia Samuda. Oh, I swipe right. No. Oh, it's telling me that. Oh, bless up. Okay. Is that it? No. Kim Aaron. Kim _ Aaron says, can you send that again, please? My volume was down. Oh my God. I know you're busy and editing and stuff. I don't remember what I said, you know. Boo, I don't remember what I said because I'm filming now and I'm just responding to snaps as they come in. I don't remember what I said. Yeah, that's it. Finally, I'm done. I'm done, you guys. I'm finished. Yes. I filmed so many videos today. Finished. Huge shout out to Sweet King Jazzy. That's my bae right there. I'm finished, you guys. Thank you so much for sending me your questions in my Snapchat Q&A. Love these videos, as you guys know. I just get to interact with you personally on Snapchat. Really love that. And but let me tell you, Snapchat and Periscope, hands down my two favorite social media sites. Periscope is always live. Snapchat is always live, but it's like for a couple of seconds. And unlike Snapchat, it can replay Periscopes for 24 hours. But after 24 hours, it can't replay the Periscopes. But Snapchat is just one time. It's so lame. But yeah, so that's it for this Snapchat Q&A video. Thank you so much for those of you who are following me on Snapchat. And thank you for everybody who sent in their snaps. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video.